Now it's time to go into mixing the kick and bass together, so the kick and bass buzz. And there I think the Oxford Inflator is the absolute winner. It basically shapes the waveform into being less round and more square. You bring out a lot of harmonics, things sound more solid, and if you use this on drums or on a kick and bass buzz, for example, or on a clap, or even on your entire master, then it can be really amazing. The curve is basically the extremeness of the wave shape process, and the effect is just a simple dry wet basically. So if you start at 0, then it will stay relatively clean. If you pull up the effect, it will glue it together, and if you increase the curve, it will make it sound more extreme, and then you can pull back the effect up till taste. That's how I would advise to use it, because then you can really feel and set it the way that you like to have it.